Today I am reviewing the Ninja XL Air Fryer with MaxCrisp. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for an air fryer that combines generous cooking capacity, impressive cooking performance, and versatile features in one compact appliance, the Ninja XL Air Fryer AF181 is an excellent option to consider. Ninja has earned a strong reputation for producing high-quality kitchen appliances, and this model continues that tradition by offering fast cooking, crispy results, and multiple cooking functions that make preparing meals easier and healthier. Whether you're cooking for yourself, a couple, or an entire family, the Ninja AF181 is designed to simplify your time in the kitchen while delivering consistently delicious food. One of the biggest selling points of this air fryer is its MaxCrisp technology. Unlike many standard air fryers that operate at lower temperatures, the Ninja AF181 can reach an impressive 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This higher temperature, combined with rapid superheated air circulation, produces exceptionally crispy results using little to no oil. Foods like French fries, chicken wings, mozzarella sticks, and frozen snacks come out with a golden, crunchy exterior while remaining tender and juicy on the inside. If you enjoy the texture of deep-fried food but want a healthier alternative, this feature alone makes the Ninja XL Air Fryer stand out. Another major advantage is how quickly it cooks frozen foods. Many frozen foods typically require preheating or thawing before cooking, but with MaxCrisp mode, you can often take food directly from the freezer to the air fryer and enjoy crispy, evenly cooked results in just minutes. This is especially convenient on busy weeknights when you need to prepare dinner quickly without sacrificing quality. Frozen chicken tenders, fries, pizza rolls, onion rings, and countless other snacks cook faster while achieving better texture than they often do in a conventional oven. The Ninja AF181 isn't just an air fryer. It offers 6 different cooking functions that greatly expand its usefulness in the kitchen. These include MaxCrisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. Instead of needing multiple countertop appliances, this single machine handles a wide variety of cooking tasks. Air fry mode is perfect for everyday cooking, producing crispy vegetables, chicken, seafood, and homemade fries with significantly less oil than traditional frying. Air roast allows you to prepare larger cuts of meat like chicken breasts, pork tenderloin, or roasted vegetables with even heat circulation. Bake mode makes it possible to prepare desserts, biscuits, muffins, casseroles, and small cakes without turning on your full-size oven. Reheat mode is surprisingly useful as well, bringing leftover pizza, fried foods, sandwiches, and other meals back to life with crispy texture that a microwave simply can't replicate. Finally, Dehydrate mode allows you to make homemade dried fruits, vegetable chips, beef jerky, and healthy snacks right from your kitchen. Capacity is another area where this air fryer excels. The large 6.5-quart cooking basket offers plenty of room for family-sized meals while maintaining a relatively compact footprint on your countertop. According to Ninja, the basket can hold up to 5 pounds of French fries or approximately 9 pounds of chicken wings depending on preparation. For most households, this means you can prepare enough food in a single batch instead of cooking multiple rounds. Whether you're feeding a family, hosting guests during game day, or meal prepping for the week ahead, the generous basket size becomes incredibly valuable. Despite its large interior capacity, the Ninja AF181 doesn't overwhelm your kitchen. The overall design is surprisingly compact, making it easier to fit on countertops where space may already be limited. This thoughtful balance between cooking capacity and physical size is one of the reasons the AF181 appeals to so many users. One of the biggest reasons people purchase air fryers is to prepare healthier meals, and the Ninja XL Air Fryer certainly delivers in this area. By using rapidly circulating hot air instead of submerging food in oil, it allows you to enjoy many of your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying. This means crispy French fries, chicken wings, and other comfort foods become much healthier without sacrificing the satisfying crunch people love. Cooking performance remains consistently impressive across a wide variety of foods. Chicken develops crispy skin while remaining juicy inside. Vegetables become caramelized with excellent texture. Salmon cooks evenly without drying out. Homemade burgers develop a flavorful crust while staying moist. Even baked goods come out evenly cooked thanks to the efficient airflow throughout the cooking chamber. Ease of use is another strength of the Ninja AF181. The digital control panel is simple and intuitive, allowing you to select cooking modes, adjust temperature, and set cooking times with just a few button presses. Even first-time air fryer users can quickly become comfortable operating the machine. The included cooking charts also provide recommended settings for many common foods, helping eliminate much of the guesswork during the first few weeks of ownership. Cleanup is refreshingly easy. Both the cooking basket and removable crisper plate feature durable non-stick coatings that help prevent food from sticking during cooking. After meals, both components are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and convenient. Even hand washing takes only a few minutes, since most food residue wipes away easily. Another nice addition is the included recipe guide and chef-created cookbook. These recipes provide an excellent starting point for new users while also inspiring more experienced cooks to experiment with different ingredients and cooking techniques. Whether you're preparing appetizers, full meals, desserts, or healthy snacks, the included recipes help you get the most from your air fryer. The powerful 1,750-watt heating system also contributes to faster cooking times compared to many traditional ovens. Since the cooking chamber is much smaller and heats rapidly, there's less waiting for preheating and shorter overall cook times. This not only saves time, but can also reduce energy consumption compared to using a large conventional oven for smaller meals. Of course, no appliance is completely perfect. While the large basket accommodates generous portions, extremely large families preparing multiple dishes simultaneously may still require cooking in separate batches. Additionally, because MaxCrisp mode operates at very high temperatures, it's important to monitor delicate foods to avoid overcooking until you become familiar with recommended cooking times. Fortunately, these are minor considerations that become easy to manage after a few uses. Overall, the Ninja XL Air Fryer AF181 delivers outstanding performance, exceptional versatility, and impressive cooking capacity in a compact, user-friendly appliance. The combination of MaxCrisp technology, 6 cooking functions, generous basket size, healthier cooking, fast preparation times, and easy cleanup makes it one of the strongest air fryers available in its category. Whether you're preparing quick weeknight dinners, healthier versions of your favorite fried foods, meal prepping for the week, or entertaining friends and family, the Ninja AF181 consistently produces crispy, flavorful results with minimal effort. It successfully replaces several kitchen appliances while making everyday cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you're searching for an air fryer that offers powerful performance, versatile cooking options, family size capacity, and the trusted quality Ninja is known for, the Ninja XL Air Fryer AF181 is an excellent investment. It's a kitchen appliance that you'll likely find yourself using almost every day, and one that truly delivers on its promise of healthier, faster, and better tasting meals.